Staying in line, watching that distance, keeping it slow. Okay, I'm getting a little too far ahead. Let's get some pace on. There we go, sail comes in. Managing that distance. Trying to catch up with me. Okay, ready to slow, ready to slow. I'm slowing down. Sail comes out, there you go. Big rudder wags, nice. So, there you go, nice job, Jen. So a little more emphasis with the rudder, I would say, would stop you a little faster, Jen. All right, let's work on holding position. Keep it slow, slow as we can get. Full stop. There you go, so wag it high, get the bow up a little more. There you go, now the sail's full luff. So it's finding that full luff and then kind of doing the rudder like a big little wag. I think that tiller's a little short for you. Okay, looking ahead, I'm stopped. There you go, and then wag it high. Nice, full luff, nice. Very good. Then don't let it catch on the low end. Beautiful, slow it down, Jen. If you gotta use that front hand to push high, there you go. And then do a little backwind with that front hand if you need to, but the bow has to be into the wind to backwind. Nice. Best one yet, guys, nice job. Okay, I'm getting far ahead. So a little more emphasis with the rudder, Suki, and a little more head to wind when you're trying to stop. Other thing is, if you do get overlap, think about your bailout, right? If you're not trying to pass, you're always gonna get faster if you pick the low side. If you pick the high side, you can head up to the wind and slow down. So if you are going to pass, right, it's better to overlap high because then you have an out. You can go up and slow down. If you go down below, if you endorse the overlap low, you're always going to speed up and engage the passing faster. Beautiful, really nice. There you go, Jen. Nice. Nice job. All right, I'm going to get going a little bit. Let's try to get some distance in between each other and get in line. And then I'm going to blow a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And we're going to go to starboard tack, upwind, close haul. So just going upwind. Keep that weight forward and your hips pretty square. Nice. Beautiful. You're already going fast now. Little more main sheet, Suki. Okay, so now Christine, you're slowing down and your sail's starting to luff. It's a header, so putting that bow down, keeping that weight out. It's a good little puff. Try not to keep that main sheet tight, Jen. There you go. One whistle's gonna be tack. Watch for hitting each other. Suki's probably gonna have to go first. There we go. Christine turned a little faster, which is okay, right? It's pretty flat water. So you're gonna do just a little faster of a turn, Jen. Turn, turn, turn. Cross. Nice. Nice tack, Jen. So you see how you came out a little low there, right? So that's just getting comfortable with the hand switch. That's okay, you're pushing it, it's good. That first tack you did was a little better for reference. Nice fast turn, find that angle. Beautiful, that was good. That was good. Gave a little roll tack. Yep, you got it. Nice. Nice. Good switch, right up on the other side, main sheet back in, beautiful, find that angle, head up a little bit, awesome. That was good, that little burp. Okay, think about the steering. Nice. Very good. What was that? Yeah, go for it. Very good. Good angle. Hold it there. Back up. So I think it's the extension's just a little long. That's part of it.
Yeah.
Much better. So ease it back out. So, and you can always look at your trail, look at your bubble trail. You only want about 10 degrees of variance. You don't want any more than that. Stop steering. Beautiful. Much, much better. Ease it out, ease it out. Keep that angle low. You're still going downwind. Okay, sail over to Christine. I'm gonna go with her for a sec. Nice. So straighten it out. Now bring the boom across with the main sheet. Less steering is always better. Then right back downwind. Nice. Let's see another jibe. No more steering than that. See how you're changing about 15, 20 degrees. Watch your tail. You only want just a little bit. So let's try one with no rudder, okay? So let's get a little lower like we're on a run. A little lower. Okay, so now do not change angle. Stay pointed at that White House, but bring the main across. You see how much less distance you just sailed? Yeah. Okay, nice. So sail's nice and loose. We get down to a run, get a little lower. So I want you to almost stay pointed at the same point on land, but bring the main across, okay? So we'll get through these waves. Give it a sec, give it a sec. So kind of look ahead. I want to see less steering, okay? So let's go into a jibe. Go ahead. Just a little bit. You can bear away. That's about it. That's about all you have to steer. Now bring the main across. Keep the bow down though, other way. So see how now all the steering you do? You can do a lot more with the main sheet and less steering. So let's try it one more time, okay? So go for a jibe here. So tiller goes the other way just a little bit. That's about all you need to move it. Pull the main sheet. Boom comes across. Keep the angle low. And then back down, back down. Tiller away from the sail. Yeah. So that's better. That's much better. I think your rudder came up again. Oh, you're good, you're good. But you see, you could jibe 100 times almost without moving the rudder. So the lighter the wind, the closer you want to stay, but still thinking about that time and distance. And remember, Sook, if you have any trouble with that tiller extension, just keep that weight forward. But I'm going to hack it off for you next practice. Same for you, Christina. If that tiller extension gets in the way of your driving, you just keep that weight further forward. The lighter it is, the further forward your weight should be anyway. That's okay. Head to wind is okay. If you don't have steerage and you get in a collision course situation, you kind of just put your hands up. Yeah. 130. So I'll give a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 after the 10 seconds. 10 seconds is going to be one short. You guys will get it. I like that you guys are buzzing this ley line. Kind of coming in, seeing what your time and distance is to this. And then you want to get a little further away from the line like Sookie is once you get to that minute mark. So don't get too close too early. So now I see a little more wind on the course. So that's why I said don't get too close too early. I'm seeing a little more velocity. We can feel it on our faces. So we know that we can set up a little further away now. We have a little more wind. Remember, when we come off that line, we want to come off with speed, with that main sheet nice and tight, finding that nice angle to the wind. Always thinking about that ley line. If you get too low too early, you can't make the pin, so you want to reset. That just means restarting your approach. So Jen, nice approach, but not leaving yourself a lot of room to accelerate and not a big ley line. So nice reset, nice. I was a little off on the time because I was yelling there. Let's do that one more time from 2 minutes.